Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Wednesday and that's the best day of the week as we get to open up another painting. Yes, that's right, an Amazon unboxing here for you today. Just a reminder for anyone that has missed it, I'm not going to be doing unboxings on a Friday because I'm bringing back in the Rainbow Rose that we used to do on a live on a Friday evening at 5, and it's been quite a while since we last worked on it, so anyway, let's get into the unboxings. And moving forward, there's only going to be unboxings on a Wednesday now. But in here, this was really cool. I paid $3.99 for this, and I can't wait to get into it. So let's get into it. And I can tell you it's a bear. So, but could it be a Care Bear? Oh, it's a rolled up one. But can you guess what's it going to be? Oh, any guesses? That's quite a good way that's come out, actually. Any guesses? Do you think you know what it is? If I turn it over, do you think you know what it is still? Ah, very interesting. They don't show you. So we'll get it out and then you guys can see. Let's turn that down a bit. Get that bit there. I like the way this is been wrapped up because you can't see what it is there. So it's pretty disguising, which is great. So let's take it open. And I don't know if you guys can see, but we do have... Oh look, isn't it so cute? Oh yeah, man. So you know the blue bears, they're called, I don't know what they are they blue nose bears or something? My sister used to always have loads of these when she was younger, but it's supposed to be like a little bear up here. Looking at that, I'm pretty impressed with that. I've got a feeling it's a little bit too much of the same colour, because this looks very, very, all... you know, same colour. I don't know how it's going to turn out. We do have some other colours in there. We've got some really interesting symbols down here, like things like this. This one here looks like a double-ended conductor stick, maybe. We've got all sorts of ones here. Some interesting one. That one there, 163747. That's a very unusual symbol. I've never seen that before. See if we've got another one. That one I'm not sure we've used. I think we used that at DAC, Rainbow Rose. We got Star and a V for Variety. Yes, that's right. V for Variety, the best is show in Britain. That was a song of Butlins back in the day. And yeah, it's quite nice. We've got some flowers there. We've got... flowers down here as well. It's almost like he's sitting on a flower bed of some flowers there, but I had to get this. It's a 30x30. I don't know if you've noticed, but I seem to be buying a lot more 30x30s. But yeah, let's get into the package of the drills. Okay, so in here, again, very unusual because sometimes you get bags, sometimes you get a squashy with the bags, or sometimes you get no bags and no squashy, or just a squashy. But yeah, we've got our standard boat. It seems to be, I've noticed that we're getting less and less more bags, so they must be getting the message that we don't want bags anymore. Because most of us, we put in the little plastic trays. This looks gorgeous. And I have noticed, again, a lot of these 30x30s are coming with that J symbol, which looks really cool. So these already, I can see there's going to be really lovely colours here. We've got that lovely yellow in there. Lots of pinks. Really, really gorgeous. So let's take a look. Yeah, let's go that way for a change. So we've got one's got jammed in there by error. We've got white, which, let's just check that, 20, yeah, 3865, that's our classic 3865, normally white is 3865, 310 is black, but as you can see, some yellows, we've got a peachy colour, that's gorgeous as well. I think that's 19, we're working in reverse order here. 18 is our 3770, we've got a very lovely lime green, we have got some grey, we have got some purples and pinks, that's gorgeous, I like that, lovely pinks there, a bit of yellow, a bit of Flucci, I don't know what colour that is. Yeah, really lovely, interesting colours. This is going to be really gorgeous. I think it's going to turn out quite nice. I'm really excited about this one. And as you can see, some soap suds there. I accidentally dropped it in the sink. And some grey jewels there, which look really, really lovely. So this is going to be an absolute gorgeous, gorgeous painting. And I can't wait to get this started. But as I said, if you want to get this for yourself, this is currently $3.99 on Amazon as we speak. As you are aware, Amazon prices do fluctuate and go up and down like a yo-yo. But yeah, I just had to have that. I think when he's holding that little flower, it's going to really, really be cute and lovely. and with his little blue nose there. But yeah, this is going to be a really lovely painting to work on. Lots of colour block in there as well, and yeah, I like the way it's got like a little shade effect to his head as well, and I just love the way he's sitting on this bed of flowers. Absolutely brilliant. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Check out the link in the video description where you can see this and buy it for yourself, and we'll see you next Wednesday for the next unboxing. Who will it be this time? I don't know. Whether it be from Amazon, Temu, we'll have to wait and see. Take care, have a lovely evening, and I'll catch you later.